Hello everyone, welcome back with the additional. Yes, the additional, not of today, not of today's newspaper, no. Because in today's newspaper, Friday, October the 22nd, 2021, we have only two regular Sudoku Light and a heavy Sudoku. Yes, and there is no additional, so I've decided to continue with the Tuesday edition. Yes, October the 19th, 2021. Yesterday was also no extra Sudoku, so I've solved the rest of the puzzles of the Wednesday edition. So now it's time for the Tuesday edition, and this will be the first one. We have here four puzzles, Sudoku with 1 star. The 2 stars are left, and the tectonic and a binary. So four Sudokus are left in this edition, and this will be number 3573. Okay, 73. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits, and for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 5 in this column? 5 in the column next. So the last column. Only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only three places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5, all right. How about the 2 in this row? The 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first column. 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only three places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. And now. How about the number? Let me see. Yeah. I'm scanning. Okay. Yeah. How about 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Okay. Then. Yeah. 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this column. So no 1 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this big square. We have a 7 here, so no 7 here. 7 goes there, and the 1 goes here. 7 and a 1. Yeah, 7 and a 1 we have in this column. So it goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We see a 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between. The only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Alright. Alright. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. The second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 7 and the 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. And look, we have a 4 and an 8 in this big square. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this second column for the number 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. Wait. No. Yeah, we have a 6 also in the last column. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. 7 and the 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. Then. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. Yes, 1 is missing. 4 boxes left in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 and 8 in this column. So no 1 and 8 in these boxes, in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8. Okay. So what are the other 2 boxes in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. No. We have a 2. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third row. 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 there. I've marked those two boxes with a 4 and a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. And no, the 6's are used. I can see this is number 3, number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left. In the third column for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9, and look, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Okay. Then. How about the number? Let me see. 8. How about Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 149, 149, 149, 149, and look, we have a 1 and a 9 in this row. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 4. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. Alright. Alright, now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be an 8. Okay. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Okay. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1. Yeah, 1. So we have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see digit number 5, number 1. Alright. Then. How about? How about let me see. These 2 numbers, the first row. Wait. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, only place for the 3 should be there. Now 1 number left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the nines are used. I can see. This is number 6, number 9. Yes. Okay. How about what this box? One box missing in this column. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We share 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here and 8 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8 again. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here and 8 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Could be fast stuff. Anyway, I like this one. Yes, definitely a 1 star. And if you enjoy this puzzle, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 2 stars puzzle. See you then. Bye bye for now.